अब स्टार्ट हुई है, अब बोल सकते हो।
We are enjoying so much of Sutra Bath.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching episode 2 of Shivali Says and we are going hiking in San Francisco. In this video, we'll walk through the Land's End Trail, we'll see the Sutro Baths and the labyrinth at the Eagles Point. The day started with a drive through the city and lots of Bollywood music. And of course, we talked about how housing and everything is super expensive in San Francisco. We parked our car and we were already at our first vista point, the Sutro Baths. In 1890s, this place was a big swimming pool complex, but it wasn't commercially successful. And I was like, what? Why didn't he market it as an infinity pool? Anyway, later a fire destroyed everything and this is what's left. You guys are now watching the entrance to the SF Land's End Trail. This looks easy, but that's for now. Hang on guys, you'll see this path turn into a narrow cliff road. So initially, this was kind of beginner friendly with all these signboards, but slowly it progressed into a proper nature walk. The kind of trail with those narrow paths surrounded by bushes and trees, and maybe a wild bear. Okay, no bears.
कहाँ पे है building? Oh yeah.
We saw some stunning views of shipwrecks and pocket beaches. We walked through cypress and wildflowers and the trail just got better and better. Later, it got a little too exciting and I wish I was wearing proper shoes. We were literally walking at the edge of a cliff and it was so exciting. But all this walking and all this exercise for what? Hashtag do it for the cram. Lol, kidding. This is called the labyrinth at Eagles Point and something that you can see at the end of the trail. This is how it looks in real life. We had the Golden Gate Bridge in the background and it looked surreal. On our way back, I was a fearless khatro ke khiladi. The journey back was hard, or maybe I just get tired real quick, but this was my first hike. How many more steps do you think?
86.
86, what's that number?
What, you don't count your stairs while climbing?
No.
Simple math.
Psycho.
चला 25.
स्नो चला कुछ 2020 में नहीं हो रहा है अब तो और स्नो चला आज तो क्या हाइक करी
कैसे हाइक करते हैं?
यार हाइक ही हुआ यार है ना एक सेकंड हम ओके दिस इज अ हाइक राइट
Yes, it is. A very good hike.
सी
For 1.5 hours.
1.5. We got here at 5:40. It's past 8 right now.
Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.